Sun control films, often referred to as window tint or window film, are thin, transparent or semi-transparent sheets of film that are applied to the windows of a car as part of car detailing services. These films are designed to serve several purposes, including heat reduction. Sun control films are used to block or reduce the amount of solar heat that enters the car's interior. They contain materials that can reflect or absorb a portion of the sun's energy, helping to keep the car cooler. This is especially important in hot and sunny climates. UV ray protection. Sun control films can block a significant portion of harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun. This not only helps protect the car's interior from fading, but also provides a measure of protection for the occupants against UV-related skin damage. Glare reduction. These films can reduce glare from the sun or headlights of other vehicles, making it easier and more comfortable to drive, especially during bright daylight or nighttime driving. Privacy. Tinted windows can enhance privacy by making it more difficult for people outside the car to see inside. This can be especially beneficial if you carry valuable items in your vehicle or simply prefer a higher level of privacy. Aesthetic enhancement. Sun control films come in various shades and colors, allowing car owners to customize the appearance of their vehicles. They can enhance the overall look of the car and add a sleek, stylish, or sophisticated touch. Safety. In the event of an accident, window film can help hold shattered glass together, reducing the risk of glass shards causing injury to the car's occupants. Car detailing services often include the application of sun control films as an optional service, and it's a popular choice for many car owners due to the various benefits mentioned above. However, regulations regarding the darkness or lightness of window tint can vary by location, so it's important to check local laws and regulations before applying sun control films to your car. Sun control films are typically installed on all of the windows of a car, including the windshield. However, it is important to note that some states and municipalities have laws regarding the darkness of window tint, so it is important to check your local laws before having sun control films installed. A professional car detailing service will be able to help you choose the right sun control films for your needs and budget. They will also be able to install the films properly to ensure that they look good and last for many years. Here are some of the benefits of having sun control films installed by a professional car detailing service. They will use high-quality films that are designed to last. They will have the experience and expertise to install the films properly without damaging your windows. They will be able to help you choose the right tint level for your needs and preferences. They will offer a warranty on their work. If you are considering having sun control films installed on your car, I recommend that you contact a professional car detailing service. They will be able to help you choose the right films and install them properly so that you can enjoy the benefits of sun control films for many years to come.